And happening today, lawyers for the Menendez brothers will ask a judge to reconsider their murder convictions.
Mario Ramirez is live in Van Nuys with more on today's hearing. Mario.
Coco, Brooke, good morning. It's been over 3 decades since the brothers, Eric and Lyle Menendez, were sentenced to life in prison without parole. We're just outside the Van Nuys Superior Courthouse, where they're expected to attend a hearing today virtually from San Diego, where they're serving their sentences. Another important milestone in this highly anticipated case. The Menendez brothers, Eric and Lyle, convicted over 30 years ago for the shotgun murders of their parents in Beverly Hills, and they're making a new plea, a new bid for their freedom. Their lawyers have filed a petition asking a judge to consider new evidence of alleged sexual abuse by their father. The evidence including a previously unseen letter from Eric Menendez to his uncle in '88 describing the alleged sexual abuse, and a recent claim by a former Latin boy band member who alleges he was abused by the brother's father. Outgoing LA County District Attorney George Gascon announcing his recommendation last month. The brothers be resentenced after an investigation into the new evidence. The governor's office said it would wait until District Attorney-elect Nathan Hochman reviews the case after being sworn in December 2nd before deciding whether or not to grant clemency, one of the scenarios which could grant the brothers freedom. Now, defense attorney Mark Garagos says he'll ask the judge during the hearing to resentence the brothers on the lesser charge of voluntary manslaughter.
If he goes through, and I'm hopeful that he will, all of the what's called the C file, which is their correctional file, if he goes through and talks to correctional officers who are dealing with both of them, I don't think anybody who looks at the C files and looks at what happened and sees that they've done 35 years can come away with any conclusion, but that it's time for them to be released.
Defense attorney Mark Garagos there. Last month, nearly 24 relatives gathered for a news conference in support of the case being resentenced from the original conviction of first-degree murder. No major decisions are expected today. That status hearing will confirm some details for the resentencing that is expected on December 11th. And the demand for seats inside the courtroom is so high, a lottery is being held for 16 public seats inside the courtroom. That'll be held here outside the Van Nuys courthouse before proceedings begin at 10:30 this morning. We'll have more throughout the morning here on Good Day LA. For now, live in Van Nuys, I'm Mario Ramirez. We'll send it back to you.
All right, thanks, Mario.